know what the latest buzz is in the car detailing world? Autogeek's Roadshow classes. More locations, more tools, always educational, and a lot more fun. I'm excited to announce our New Jersey Roadshow class, and that's going to take place June 22nd and June 23rd in Windsor, New Jersey at the Shield Sheen Detailing Shop. As always, these classes are for everybody. If you're an absolute beginner or a seasoned professional, there's going to be something for you in our classes. I've been teaching these classes for over 30 years, and I can show you tips and techniques you've probably never seen before. And these classes are intensely hands-on. I know from experience, people learn best by doing, not sitting in a chair listening to someone talk. And here's just a few of the topics these classes cover: paint correction, ceramic coatings, engine detailing, glass polishing, headlight correction. There are so many things we cover in this class that by the time you take the class and leave, you're going to be ready to tackle anything that comes in your driveway or your shop. The Roadshow classes are set up as one-day classes, but you can attend both days. The way we arrange this is they have different tools, different pads, different products on different days. So if you want to go to just one day, you're going to have a great experience. If you want to take in all the tools, all the pads, and all the topics and products, then go to both days. Here's the good news. If you sign up early, you get a $100 store credit at Autogeek.com. If you sign up for both days, you get a $200 store credit. You're going to have a lot of fun, you're going to learn a lot, and you're going to save some money. Who doesn't want that? Remember, our New Jersey Roadshow class is June 22nd and 23rd in Windsor, New Jersey at the Shield Sheen Detailing Shop. Speaking of which, I've got to get on the road. For more information about locations and dates, you can always visit Autogeek.com. And also, sign up early, save some money, have a lot of fun. Hope to see you at a future Roadshow class.